Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Eddy Show. I'm your host, Eddie Ray, where we do tips, tricks, and tutorial videos for live streamers, gamers, and content creators. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to track all the important information in your live stream without going crazy. Stay tuned. So in today's tutorial, we're going to be using XSplit Broadcaster. I've been using this software to live stream for over 5 years now, and I found this tool, which I think is fairly new, to be very, very useful when live streaming. No longer do you have to squint or figure out where information is. You can track all of your information like chat, bitrate, viewers, all in one organized area. Check it out. Okay, so we're going to be using something called Dashboard or Streamer Dashboard. It's an extension in XSplit Broadcaster, and it allows you to see all of the important information like viewer count, chat, bitrate, uptime for the stream, and everything in one little location, one little module more or less. So go to Extensions in the top menu, go to Add Extension, and find more extensions. In the search box, just type in Dashboard. Dashboard, hit Enter. And there you go. So Stream Dashboard, here it is. Developer Split Media Labs. This keeps tabs on everything going on in your stream using the nifty dashboard extension. Get a live feed of your stream status, or who's followed, subscribed, and shared your stream. You can even see the chat messages that come in to your live stream. The dashboard supports Facebook Live, Twitch, YouTube Live, Mixer, so all of the main streaming platforms are available for you there. So click on Install. I already have it here, so we'll get out of this here. And once you install it, then go back to Extensions and click on Stream Dashboard, and you'll get a little module popping up here. And this will be the main area where all the information will come into, a little hub more or less. Now right now it's empty. We have nothing streaming, of course, right now. This is a local recording, so no information is here, but you can see how it sets it up. In this particular area, it says Stats Offline. It shows you who you're streaming to, what channel, so Nintendo Chit Chat, it's actually the present output right now. The runtime, resolution, and frames per second, your bit rate and drop frames, all the important data you should monitor during your streams is right here in a very organized way. And down here, of course, also we'll input the chat. It will pipe the live feed chat directly into the module down at the bottom. So right now we have 3 outputs set up. The first one is my YouTube gaming for Nintendo Chit Chat. We have my Magic Facebook output here, and also another output here for my Magic on YouTube. But right now, we'll focus on the gaming one. So any outputs you have, they'll show up here as tabs. If you add outputs, they'll be added in here as well, or remove. It will all kind of coincide with itself as you add and remove outputs. Okay, so we'll go to a test live stream. Now go to Broadcast. We'll click YouTube Live, Nintendo Chit Chat. And we'll actually just set up a test live stream here. Then we'll go into the YouTube backend, send a few messages, and see if the chat actually works properly too. All right, so go to a new live. Let's go on and call it Test Stream. If I can even type, there we go. So no description or tags. We'll keep it on private. This is a private test. And start broadcast. You're booting up now. Okay, and we're ready to go now. It does say Stream Dashboard, YouTube Live, Nintendo Chit Chat. And what's cool is it shows you the recent events on your channel. So anyone who's subscribed to you in a timely fashion, it will show all of that here. So the newest subscriber will be at the top, of course. And the list just populates automatically for you in the feed, which is really, really nice. These are all subscriptions here, as you can see. Here we go, 0 viewers right now. The runtime is 45 seconds. Our bitrate is 60 FPS and 480p. We are at 628 kilobits per second. I'm on my slower connection right now, but it doesn't really matter. So no chat right now. Let's actually test it out in chat. So go into the YouTube backend. All right, so we're in our Creator Studio here. This is always a good way to go about testing things out in XSplit as well, as just doing a test live stream. Make it private, that way you can see how everything is working for you, especially with a new extension or plugin. We'll click on Videos, and then the Live tab to find our live stream, which of course is still private, which is good. When you're testing, make sure you do put it private, so you know. All right, I'll click here on the Live Control Room. Let's do a few little chat messages and see how it goes into the pipeline for Streamer Dashboard. Just going to do a few little test words here. Test. Hello. Is this showing up in Stream Dashboard? So 3 lines of text. Go back to XSplit here. And there it is right there in chat. Hello. Test. Is this showing up in Stream Dashboard? So there you have it. A really easy way to kind of maintain and monitor your live stream, which is very, very important. You should always be looking at chat, always be looking at who has subscribed to you, who shared your stream, and always taking a look at any drop frames, your bitrate as well. Those are very, very important. You want the best experience for your audience. So Stream Dashboard does a really good job at this, guys. And as you can see here too, it does show you by moments of time of how long ago they subscribed to you. So 4 minutes ago, we have a subscription here. 4 minutes ago, all of these people here subscribed to the channel, and it just scrolls through. So that is really cool. So again, this is a really good, useful tool to add into your live streams when you're streaming through XSplit Broadcaster. So there you have it, Streamer Dashboard, a really good, useful extension in XSplit Broadcaster. Probably, at least for me, the most useful extension I've actually used in XSplit Broadcaster. It really makes everything easy to manage. You no longer have to worry about where information is or where it's coming from, especially chat too, because before I had to pop out YouTube chat on a different screen, keep track of chat, and look back over here for the other information for the stream, and it was just lots of back and forth. But this here makes everything very, very streamlined for your live stream. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of it. Make sure to hit the like button for the episode as well, and subscribe if you're new. I'm Eddie Ray for the Tech Eddie Show. We'll see you back here next time.